Did you know that hiccups have a fascinating backstory? They originate from our brainstem, where a reflex causes involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. This can happen for various reasons: eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. Interestingly, while most hiccup episodes last just a few minutes, some folks have experienced them for years. The world record belongs to Charles Osborne, who hiccuped continuously for an astonishing 68 years. Imagine trying to live your life with that persistent sound. So next time you get the hiccups at dinner, remember, you're partaking in an age-old human quirk that's as mysterious as it is amusing.